So, you've finally saved up $1,000. Now what? Whether you're just starting out or getting back on track, this video shows how I'd invest $1,000 in 2025, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's break it down into smart, simple steps. First, High Yield Savings Account, or HYSA. I'd put $200 to $300 into a high yield savings account. This is a savings account that pays you much higher interest than regular banks, usually around 4 to 5% a year. Some good options in the US are SoFi, Ally Bank, and Marcus by Goldman Sachs. In Canada, check out EQ Bank, Wealthsimple Save, or Neo Money. And for other countries, look into online banks like Revolut, Monzo, or Wise. This money is your safety net. It stays liquid and earns passive interest. Second, index funds or ETFs. I'd invest $400 into index funds or ETFs, that stands for Exchange Traded Funds. These are baskets of many stocks, so instead of picking just one company, you're investing in hundreds at once. For US investors, look into funds like VOO, which tracks the top 500 companies in America. In Canada, try VEQT or XIC. Platforms like Vanguard, Wealthsimple, or eToro make this simple, even for beginners. Historically, ETFs return about 7 to 10% per year with low fees. Third, start a digital side hustle. I'd set aside $100 to $150 to build a digital income stream. You can sell products like budget planners, Canva templates, or Notion tools. Create them once, and sell them again and again on Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. Use Canva Pro to design your products, and consider running small ads on Pinterest or TikTok to boost traffic. This is a low-risk way to start earning online. Fourth, learn a high-income skill. I'd invest another $100 to $200 in an online course to grow my skills. Learn video editing, social media marketing, automation tools like Zapier, or content writing. Great platforms include Skillshare, Udemy, Coursera, and even YouTube. When you level up your skills, your income potential increases, forever. Fifth, dividend-paying stocks. With $50 to $100, I'd buy dividend stocks. These are shares in companies that pay you part of their profits regularly. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Enbridge, and Realty Income have strong dividend histories. In the US, use apps like Robinhood or Public. In Canada, try Wealthsimple or Questrade. Globally, eToro and Interactive Brokers are good options. You can even buy fractional shares if you're just getting started. Bonus, start a faceless YouTube channel. Use tools like Pictory for video creation, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and Canva for thumbnails. You don't need a camera or fancy gear, just helpful content and consistency. So, how would I invest $1,000 in 2025? I'd split it between savings, long-term investing, learning, and building an income stream. Which one will you start with? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bloom Banked for more beginner-friendly money tips every single week.